TopMate ES31 Electric Scooter Mini Tricycle Review. The best charging time for the ES31 electric scooter is 3.5 to 4 hours. Please do not exceed this range, otherwise, it will easily damage the charger or battery. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The original rear axle is 10.6 inches, the latest version has a longer rear axle which is 15.7 inches. A longer rear axle makes riding more stable. Number 2. The first gear speed up to 4.8 km per hour, 3 mph, the second speed up to 11 km per hour, 7 mph, the third speed up to 24 km per hour, 15 mph. You can adjust the speed freely. Built-in 18,650 power lithium battery, power is 270 W, charging duration of 3 to 4.5 hours, battery endurance of 25 to 30 km, 15.5 to 18.6 miles is the best choice for short trips. Number 3. It is recommended that people under a height of 5.9 feet and under 60 years old use this electric scooter. Driving an electric scooter requires basic balancing capabilities. Please read the scooter parameters of the product description carefully, then refer to your physical condition, height, and weight data for purchase. Number 4. The seat has one absorber, and the rear wheels have 2 suspension shock absorbers, make the tricycle more stable during riding. The whole vehicle quality is only 14 kilograms, 30.86 pounds, but the carrying capacity reaches 100 kilograms, 220.4 pounds. Number 5. 1-year warranty service. If the electric tricycle has any quality problem, you can return the tricycle within 30 days after receiving it. Please return all accessories and ensure that the tricycle is not damaged. We also provide a 1-year warranty service. If you have any questions, please contact us at any time, we will make a solution for you. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.